Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Webull charts. Open Webull, pick a symbol, then tap Charts to get started with timeframes and indicators. Customize chart type to candlesticks or bars and set the visible range. Add EMA for trend, RSI for momentum, and MACD for confirmations. Save your layout so you can quickly load preferred indicators and timeframes for future analysis. In this video, I will show how to use Webull charts. Choose candlesticks for detailed price action, or line charts for a clean overview, and adjust bar width. Use trend lines and Fibonacci retracements to mark entries and exits, and draw horizontal levels for support and resistance. Turn on volume bars to confirm moves, and use depth charts to gauge liquidity and order imbalance for better trade timing. In this video, I will show how to use Webull charts. Quick recommendation: grab little trees, black ice for a fresh car smell while you trade. It's a small comfort that helps maintain focus during long sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Webull charts. Apply indicators such as 50 EMA and 200 SMA to watch for crossovers and trend direction. Add RSI to highlight overbought or oversold moments near 70 and 30, and consider MACD for momentum confirmation. Arrange lower panes for indicators and top pane for price, then save the layout so you can recall your preferred setup instantly on desktop or mobile.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.